today we are going to unbox an new smartwatch which comes from Boat Company. The name of this smartwatch is Strongcall PT. You can see the frame of this smartwatch, fully metal body, and the back is with plastic. It comes with an IPS 67 rating, dust protection and waterproof protection. The body is made with metal and the glass is also so expensive. You can see there you can change watch faces. How you can see, this is the sensor of this smartwatch. Here is the crown button, which is fully working crown. You can also call from this watch by Bluetooth. It is also so comfortable in wearing and very lightweight, so smooth while working. You can see the watch, very shiny display and a curved body which feel you comfortable while wearing it. The body is so expensive with a metal body. You can find this watch in 3 colors: blue, green and black. You can change the watch faces. Different watch faces are available. You can customize your own watch face and you can paste your own picture in the wallpaper. Here is the heart rate sensor, which you can see in this video. How it works, you can see. It is very accurate. Doctors also suggest to wear this watch. You can also give this watch to your parents or your old ones. You can also give this watch to your children under 13 years. You can see the watch. It is a waterproof watch, so no tension anywhere. You can also do swimming with this watch. There are so smooth sports mode and very kind of various kind of apps and very beautiful display, HD display. And this, you can see the sports mode here. Here you can exit while your work is done. Like this, you can use this watch. Definitely buy this watch. This is the SpO2 sensor, which blinks green in color. You can see while doing yoga also you can wear this watch and do yoga. There are many functions and mode in this watch by which you can do your yoga and exercise. Currently, this watch comes with a fast charging technology. It is made in India product. Different watch faces. While boosting it, you can see the Boat logo here. It open very fastly while you will power on it. Like this it's look, and you can wear also in jogging, in the morning also, anytime, anywhere, anything. You can do it with this watch. So definitely buy this watch. Very cheap cost watch and value for money product. In only in rupees 7,990 rupees. You will get in offer this watch only in 2,000 rupees. You can buy this watch from Flipkart or Shopsy. Proper delivery partner, Shopsy and Flipkart. You can also buy this watch from Amazon. You can see the app of the watch. There you will get a message. A permission is taken from you to on the Wi-Fi or on the Bluetooth or not. Here are the watch faces, Bluetooth calling option, camera option. While the watch you can control the camera also, clicking photo or something else you can do. You can see the UI also so good. Drinking water ability and also different kind of watch faces, customized watch faces. Thank you for watching.